The journey begins with selecting the perfect potatoes. But not just any potatoes, McDonald's specifically chooses Russet Burbank potatoes for their fries. These aren't your typical spuds, they're selected for their unique qualities that make them ideal for frying. The choice isn't just about taste. These potatoes maintain their quality and texture, even when prepared in large batches for fast food. Take the United States, for example, where Russet Burbank potatoes are a top choice, and most of McDonald's suppliers are located there, thanks to the perfect potato growing climate. Now, here you can see how the potatoes are harvested from the ground with the help of heavy-duty, all-in-one machines. Inside these machines, advanced tools clean the potatoes, removing all dirt as the process continues until all the potatoes are gathered. Once harvested, the potatoes are stored in specialized rooms, ensuring they are ready for processing whenever needed, so production never stops. The quantity is staggering, and none of the potatoes go to waste. They're all used up within 15 days. A big reason for this is McDonald's production of around 9 million pounds of French fries daily. When the potatoes are needed, they're sent straight to the factory, where the real magic begins. Let's take a look inside. The first step is the potato washing station. Here, the potatoes are tossed into large cleaning containers filled with water. With the help of vibrating belts, the fast-flowing water easily removes any remaining dirt. After a thorough wash, the potatoes are lifted out of the water and transferred to another belt by a portion control elevator. This belt gradually sends the potatoes into containers that transport them in small batches to the peeling machines, where the next phase begins. The peeling process is incredibly delicate, ensuring only the skin is removed without wasting any part of the potato. Once peeled and cleaned, the potatoes are moved along conveyor belts to the third washing chamber. Here, the final wash occurs, using water mixed with chlorine and other safe chemicals. Freshly washed and ready, these potatoes are then transported by belts for special treatments. What you see next are the tall units that house precision cutting chambers. These expertly cut the peeled potatoes into uniform sizes, which is why McDonald's fries always maintain their consistent shape and length. The machines work with remarkable precision, propelling the potatoes at speeds of 60 to 70 miles per hour through high-pressure water knives. These knives slice the potatoes into thin strips, which are then sorted based on their size and shape. After being cut, the fries go through another wash before being placed on an automatic elevator that takes them to the boiler for the next step in their transformation into the perfect fries. Sometimes, the fries receive a special treatment, a coating of sugar and sodium acid pyrophosphate for two key reasons. The sugar helps the fries achieve that ideal golden brown color when fried, while the sodium pyrophosphate prevents the fries from turning gray or brown, whether they're cooked or frozen. The real reason they're boiled briefly is to soften the inside of the fries. This way, when they're fried later, they turn out crispy on the outside while staying soft inside. The fries head straight to the boiler, where any broken or misshapen fries remain stuck to the belts, while the perfectly shaped ones fall into the boiling area. They're fried to about 50%, locking in flavor and freshness from the inside out. This step also removes some water and starch from the fries, giving them a light crust. The oil used for frying is a blend of canola, corn, soybean, and hydrogenated soybean oils, which is a healthier option because it contains no trans fats or cholesterol. After being partially fried, the fries are taken out via an elevator and left to air dry for about 5 to 10 minutes. During this time, any excess oil is dried up, making the crispy, half-cooked fries ready for packing. The half-cooked fries are quickly frozen in a special freezer tunnel. This rapid freezing helps preserve their taste and texture while ensuring they maintain uniformity and can be stored without spoiling. Potatoes can spoil quickly after being peeled or cooked, so this process is crucial. Once frozen, the fries are placed in cool trucks or storage areas, ready to be delivered to restaurants. Cutting onions might seem like the hardest part of cooking, but what if you could skip that task entirely? These machines are so efficient that no matter how the onion is placed, they automatically adjust, peel, and cut the onion with ease. A belt with mold-like structures makes peeling simple, and gadgets grab onto the onion to remove the tough outer layer cleanly and quickly. After a manual quality check to ensure no bad onions slip through, they're sent for cutting. This manual inspection is critical, as any poor quality onions can be removed by hand. Once cut with precision, the onions are packed and frozen, ready to help in the kitchen. If you'd rather not handle fish, these machines can take care of it for you. They precisely seal specific portions into packets with minimal errors, just 0.001%. Each machine is tested over 100 times before being used in factories, ensuring reliable performance. First off, thanks to their excellent precision, these machines quickly sort out any bad apples, moving them aside while the good ones gently continue along the belt. These quality apples are on their way to be turned into apple puree, which is used in a variety of delicious dishes. The machines process tons of apples into smooth, sweet puree in no time. It's amazing to see how apples zip through the process and come out as a key ingredient that enhances the flavor of so many foods. The apple skins are removed and sent off, often mixed into fodder for dairy farms. Now, let's talk pancakes. Here we have one of the largest and most famous automated lines for making pancakes. Everything from pouring the batter to cooking and stacking the pancakes is done by machines, flawlessly. Molds take the batter through an oven where the pancakes are cooked to perfection, golden and delicious. After cooking, the pancakes are carefully picked up and arranged into neat stacks, ready for packing and shipping. If you're fascinated by this, stick around. We have plenty more amazing production videos to show you.